Mechanical keyboards enhance gaming with fast response, tactile feedback, durability, and customizable key switches. My today's video is about top 5 best mechanical keyboards for gaming that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Peugeot 98 Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Cherry Mechanical Keyboard is a high-performance gaming device built for precision, speed, and durability. With ultra-low latency, 4000 Hz wireless and 8000 Hz wired polling rates, gamers experience sub-0.3 ms response times and full N-key rollover, ensuring no missed keystrokes during intense sessions. The Cherry MX2A switches, engineered in Germany with gold crosspoint technology, deliver smooth actuation, improved acoustics, and an impressive 100 million keystroke lifespan, all while being hot-swappable for easy replacement. Premium gasket construction and multi-layer padding make typing buttery smooth, complemented by durable PBT keycaps for precision and comfort. Vibrant RGB lighting with 16.8 million colors, customizable effects, and side-diffused illumination enhances aesthetics. The LCD screen and intuitive knob provide effortless control over lighting, media, and macros. Flexible triple connection modes, 2.4 GHz wireless, wired USB, Bluetooth, and a 4000 mAh battery ensure extended runtime up to 1100 hours. Compact 95-key design maximizes workspace, making this keyboard perfect for competitive gamers and enthusiasts alike. Now our second product is Redragon K556 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K556 keyboard stands out as a true hot-swappable mechanical keyboard, supporting over 99.8 of switches for effortless customization. Its unique socket design ensures easy switch installation with minimal wobbling, making mods and updates hassle-free. Built on a premium aluminum board with a brushed surface finish, the keyboard is both sturdy and elegant, providing a solid foundation for precise typing in gaming. Equipped with hot-swappable brown switches, the K556 delivers tactile feedback with smooth key travel, registering every press accurately. Gamers and typists alike will appreciate the flexibility to swap switches without complex tools or research. The RGB lighting system offers 20 preset modes with adjustable brightness and flow speed, allowing a personalized, visually striking setup. For further customization, the Redragon software enables creation of new lighting effects, macros, and key bindings, enhancing both productivity and gameplay. Overall, the K556 combines durability, flexibility, and aesthetic appeal for a high-quality mechanical keyboard experience. Our third product is SteelSeries Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The hybrid blue mechanical gaming keyboard delivers an exceptional typing and gaming experience by combining the tactile click of a blue mechanical switch with the smoothness of a membrane, rated for up to 20 million key presses. This ensures both precision and durability, ideal for long gaming sessions. Its OLED smart display adds a new dimension of customization, allowing users to display GIFs, game stats, Discord messages, and more, bringing interactivity directly to the keyboard. Built with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, the keyboard provides unmatched durability and sturdiness, making it a reliable centerpiece for any gaming setup. The dynamic per-key RGB illumination enhances aesthetics with vibrant color schemes and reactive lighting effects, while the premium magnetic wrist rest offers full palm support and comfort during extended gameplay. With a large 900 by 300 by 4 mm 35.43 by 11.81 inches design, this keyboard provides ample space for both typing and gaming, merging functionality, style, and ergonomic comfort seamlessly. Now number 4, Techwear Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Phantom 87-key RGB mechanical keyboard delivers a premium typing and gaming experience with its Audi red linear switches, rated for 50 million keystrokes. Each key provides fast actuation and quiet response, making it ideal for both intense gaming sessions and professional work. Its vibrant RGB backlighting features 16.8 million colors with 18 preset effects, while the included software allows full customization for personalized lighting patterns. Gamers benefit from low-latency performance, a 1000 Hz polling rate, and full N-key rollover, ensuring every keystroke is accurately registered, even during rapid key presses. Built with a dual-layer fiberglass PCB, the Phantom keyboard enhances signal stability and durability, guaranteeing long-term performance. It comes with 4 spare mechanical switches, a switch puller, a keycap puller, and a user manual, making maintenance and customization easy. With its reliable Alltech switches, responsive performance, and striking RGB illumination, the Phantom 87 key is an excellent choice for gamers and typists seeking precision and style. And our last choice is Logitech G Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech eSports Focus tankless keyboard is designed for competitive gaming, prioritizing speed, precision, and portability. Built with durable GX Blue click switches, it delivers a tactile and audible click, ensuring every keystroke is secure and responsive, perfect for fast-paced esports action. Its compact tankless design frees up desk space for mouse movement, while the ultra-portable build makes it easy to carry to tournaments. The keyboard supports light syncs, allowing players to program static lighting patterns directly to onboard memory, ideal for tournament setups where G-Hub installation is restricted. A detachable 1.8mm micro USB cable with a 3-pronged design ensures a secure connection and safe transport. Additional features like 3-step angle adjustment and rubber feet provide comfort and stability during long sessions. Programmable F1 F12 keys allow complex actions via G-Hub, although macros are generally tournament restricted. Overall, this keyboard combines durability, portability, and esports grade performance for serious gamers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.